Hey guys. Okay, so let's take a look at this. At this point, I have used the Elixir, but I have not steamed it. As you can see, it's super shiny. But because we have not applied the steam yet, we still have this mess to deal with. You can try to run your fingers through it and stuff. Nothing's gonna happen there. So today, I'm gonna show you guys what this bad boy does. So check this out really quick. I can barely pull my comb through this, and this is a wide tooth comb, mind you. I mean, it is just a straw hazard. All these pieces you see flying around, yeah, those are fibers. I know, yuck. Okay, so we've got this little demo, but let's go ahead and we're going to start from the bottom this time. Just because it's so dry, I don't want to mess it up or break off any more strands. So we're going to run this through to the bottom and we're going to work our way up. Oh God. Oh, that's soft. Ugh. And look at this. Already, try to see what I'm talking about. I mean, it's silk. It's just pure silk, and it's beautiful. All right, I'm going to speed this up just a tad. I'm going to freeze this really quick to show you these teeth. They are super important. Your steamer must have this. And would you look at that? Look at that flow. No more pulling. Not even a little bit. Oh God, and it is so soft. Woo! Check you out, girl. You are soft and silky smooth. Give it a little shake. Give it a little shake. I am very pleased with the results. Thanks for watching.